Hey!
I'm already Tracer.
No. Don't you dare. I'm...
Oh. Do you want that? That actually almost killed me.
Oh, I'd love that. What? You just got blasted!
Yeah, dude.
Don't you dare.
What?
I heard your giggle. I know what you're thinking.
It's useful.
It's not. It's just annoying and it tanks my frames. Ooh, what is that? It's pizza candy? Is it good candy? No. No. No.
It is good candy, yes.
Just nuked him. Okay, okay, Mr. Turrets.
I thought you were saying that. Oh, yeah, it is me. Yeah. Get 'em, boys. Can you put your mushroom down so they don't die? And also so it heals me.
There's no way my mushroom can get all of your turrets. My single
Look at this guy spawning.
I got one. I don't even...
No!
Oh, yeah, it is enough to keep him up.
No!
God. Give me your freaking fireworks.
Yes. Are they still going
There was
on?
a shredder too. Like, you coulda not mulched everything.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Okay, alright.
We spawned with a shredder, but... Oh, they all just hit the fucking...
Sorry, what was that? Were they being useful? Hmm?
No. Yes. No. Why? Why did I do that?
Why'd you do what?
I just hit one of the poison things.
Oh. Oh. Ow. Good hit. Oh, just play the best risk grain 2 you've ever played in your life.
Okay, Doug.
Yeah. Just don't get hit.
I adore Dog. He's a good streamer.
Yeah.
Hey, easy clap.
Does it, you found a cleansing pool?
Yeah. And red. No. That's fine. Do you want that?
What is it?
Hobo feather?
Oh, sure.
Yeah, I already have a double jump, so...
Thank you. It does. Okay.
Hell yeah.
Oh my god.
Hell yeah.
Screw you, man.
Fuck yeah.
That was gross.
Delicious. Yes. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I don't need frames. It's okay.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I like playing this game as a slideshow.
I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, Bandolier round. That's actually pretty useful, actually. Especially because
Actually,
though. Like, totes.
Totes.
Totes with my goats.
Yes, 2006.
Ah, stop it.
Oh my god. That noise is so annoying.
Is it? I actually really like it. Oh, there we go.
It's just repetition, though.
Yeah, but it's a nice sound. Shout out to my two viewers.
Shout out to my boys.
Shout out to my homies.
You have 3 viewers, one of them probably being yourself.
Correct.
Yeah, that doesn't count.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Which does it?
It's like liking your own photo on Instagram. Doesn't count.
It helps the reach.
Adam just like
Oh god.
getting
Oh,
a bunch
dear.
of like really small, shitty computers or old cell phones and just
Yeah.
do
No,
yourself
that's
stream.
you are not allowed to
Blow
do that. And if
himself
they
up.
find out, they will like sternly tell you can't do that.
They'll give
And
you a
then
nice spanking.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they'll give you a spanking.
I had 2 frames for a second there. What did you do?
I opened 3 things.
Don't do that ever again.
Do you actually want me to get rid of these? Because they're
Well, I mean, kind
like,
of.
it's only going to get worse.
Yeah, I know that. I'm aware.
Next time I find a good printer, such as
A teddy bear printer?
No.
But you can be industrial.
Well, for now I will actually. We have to whack them all. Okay.
Okay. Where was that scrapper?
Is it gonna
Oh,
hit me?
over here. Okay, I see it.
Yeah, hit me.
G.
Do it. My character model is so small that he just missed. He just whipped.
Wait, Adam, wait.
What?
Look at me. Wait, that's the wrong one.
Oh yeah, you're skipping. Fuck you.
Just default dance on you?
I like how it plays the music too. Like, goddamn.
Yeah.
Oh, we didn't hit the.
Yeah, I didn't find it. I think it was the one up high and that I couldn't get.
I can get it.
Can you fly?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, well, I think it was up there. You want to find Mithrix?
Already?
I mean,
I'm
not.
probably strong enough, honestly.
Yeah.
Like he's gonna have 20 teddy bears, so
He's gonna have, like, 28 teddy bears.
yeah, I don't.
No, I have a strat.
Does it hide behind your shield?
I mean, essentially. But there's also, like, a secondary portion to my strat.
Is it shoot?
No.
What the fuck is that generic ass giant?
It's called a parent.
That's a... Yeah.
A parent?
Yeah,
If
there's
you're
a
lucky, we
grandparent,
can
too.
show you the grandparent.
Dade? Okay, what?
Shrine of the Mountain. It makes it so that
The bosses
the boss
give increased rewards at increased difficulty.
bigger and stronger.
Goodness. You're not doing anything to me.
But
Yeah, there you go. What? Just sits down.
Watch the frames just tank.
okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Grandparent? Overloading worm? Yep.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Oh, there's 2 of them! Good lord!
Can't say. Oh Jesus.
It's the worm. Zach. It's the worm. Oh, the worm. You got me.
My god, look at the stream just tank.
Is it? The
Yeah,
quality?
Adam,
Oh
you-
yeah.
You can't keep up with that bit rate.
Look at it go. It's just getting worse and worse. You can still like see what's happening, but you just watch the frames getting bigger and bigger.
I'm still at 60 F. I don't know what you're talking about. Like, for me.
No, but it's the stream
Yeah.
bit rate.
Bit rate's just terrible. I can see the pixels.
Ah,
Count
please.
them. How many?
Ah, you worm bastard.
Well, if I counted the bottom row and then the side row, I could probably do a math problem on it.
Yeah.
Where is he?
He's
Oh,
still
he's still there. Wow, Hunter's harpoons. Wow. No.
Where's my fucking money?
Hell yeah.
Give me my fucking money!
Yeah.
That's the good quality.
This is the boss stage. Ah, bastard. Just this one's closest, right? So.
Not for me.
Why is there never any, like, a large
No.
amount of blood?
Oh, goodbye.
What happened?
I just fell.
Oh.
No. No. What?
You clip?
Yes.
Yeah, that happens with modded characters sometimes.
Oh, fuck!
Yeah, this one's annoying. Alas, I have my shield, so it does nothing to me.
Stop it. Oh my god, stop hitting me.
Going to that jump pad because it's closest.
What's up?
I'm going to that jump pad on my ping.
Okay, I'm going on this one because I had it.
That's
Not a jump pad.
yeah.
Wow.
This sword was the final boss of Whisker Rain 1.
Just the sword?
No, sorry, the guy who wielded it. Which was Mithrix's brother.
Myth
Mithrix.
one.
Alright, come here.
Fight me, coward.
Exactly. Hey look, Mom, I'm in the camera.
You too.
Go away. Oh, that hurts. Okay, so I can't dodge that. No, stop. Why are you charging at me?
Can't catch me. Bites. Just ran up a rock to dodge that.
Just tanked. Here's my shield. I don't think he likes that at all.
Really
Alright, where are the losers? It's the little roly boys. Oh, they're behind me.
Ah.
Ooh, I hate this one.
Where's Stinky? Oh no. Okay, well.
Don't worry, go cheese. Hopefully. I should have done that later.
Oh, I got my poly loot back. Okay. Huge.
Oh, he's really hurting me.
Easy.
Yeah, that was not that hard. Just pick up this. And I kiss him. There we go.
We could go fight Voidling too if you want.
Sure.
So, go back like all the way over there. Like, to, you know where we spawned?
Yeah.
And then there should be a little frog. Touch the frog 10 times.
Okay. What time is it? It's 12.
Time to get a watch! I'm the funniest guy who's ever existed.
Did you go to school for that joke? That must be like Harvard level.
Yeah, Harvard level comedy.
Yeah. Hello, Mr. Frog. Where are you? Is he right on the teleporter?
He's in the center of the thing. Of the circle.
Okay. Hello. Yes. Pet you. 8, 9, 10. We just jump in it?
They just activate it.
Do I pet the frog again?
I mean, if you want.
I would like to. Yes. Goodbye, frog.
He's a good boy. He deserves pets.
He does. He's doing his thing. Get away from my Lucky Charms.
I thought I could tank that, I guess not. Oh, did I? Oh, I was past halfway. Okay, I see.
Where are you?
Yeah, right there. Just walk careful. I was attacking the drones. What did help? Yeah. I'm gonna stand still for a second and let my...
I'm not gonna dip the damage. Can I stand on it?
I don't know.
Yes, essentially. think he likes it. I also don't. Oh, okay, that's okay.
It's so dumb.
It is dumb.
Yeah, Bleed's the real MVP here.
What was that?
The Bleed is the real MVP here. Doing like a lot of damage ticks.
Bring me with you. We.
Wait, did you actually?
He did. Oh wait, no.
What?
No, he did.
Okay.
Okay, you about to be real pissed off.
Yeah, I was like, you can just sit on the dickhead? Oh, there's imps. I think this one has ads in this fight. Crappy boss went.
Let me get it done.
It's cheating.
It's really funny. Sit on his butt. And he's like, oh. Oh shit, I'm gonna get hit by something. Ah.
Okay, we gotta kill him.
Nope.
No! Ow! Well,
Screen
we
just
tried.
went to you, and you're like, blah, and your body's flying. Okay.
Why? Because I
Woo!
can.